Hey guys, Jesse Helmendahler with Trebel. Today we're going to go over different variations of the down dog hold, specifically elevating your feet, trying to work up to the next progression, which would be the piked handstand hold. So we have Zane here. Earlier video we went over the down dog hold. Really important, once again, nice and controlled and connected to the ground. External rotation created at the shoulder joint. Back muscles are all good and fired up. He's going to go ahead and lift his hips, drop his shoulders. What we're trying to do is basically get into a pike position, a 90-degree position right here. And the only difference now is that his feet are actually elevated. You know, it could be 2 inches, 6 inches right here. Go ahead and relax for me, Zane. And so once Zane has mastered that, let's say he can do that for about 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Zane's going to go ahead. We're just going to elevate him up a little bit higher. This is a 16-inch box. Once again, connected with the ground. Really trying to focus on nice and hollow body position and hips up high. Back muscles doing the work, not necessarily these upper traps, trying to get nice, good activation here. We really don't care about the lower body as much here. We're just elevating him, and then eventually you can see that the same position he's going to hold, and then in the next video that we're going to show you, Zane is actually going to stay piked, but he's going to get into a 90-degree angle. So his hips would be right over top of his wrist. His legs would be straight. You can see the progressions here. 3 sets of 30-second holds with some type of integrated mobility for shoulder flexion in between is a great start. There you go. Good luck.